In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send more than 25 megabytes videos from Gmail. Gmail has a 25 megabyte limit for attachments, which means large videos won't go through as regular attachments. The good news is that Gmail is designed to handle this by using Google Drive, so you can still share big videos quickly and securely without hassle. If you try attaching a video that's over 25 megabytes, Gmail will automatically upload it to your Google Drive and insert a Drive link into your message. You can also do this manually. In the Compose window, click the Google Drive icon, choose your large video from Drive, and insert it. If the video isn't in Drive yet, upload it first by dragging it into Drive or clicking New, then File Upload. Once it's uploaded, go back to Gmail, use the Drive icon, and select the video to add the link to your email. Before sending, make sure your recipient can actually open the file. Click the link settings or share in Google Drive and set the permissions so that anyone with the link can view or download. Leaving it on view only prevents unwanted edits while still letting people watch or save the file. If you're on a work or school account, your organization may restrict sharing outside the domain, so double-check that setting. A quick way to confirm access is to open the link in an incognito window and see if it loads without asking for permission. If you prefer not to use Google Drive, you can upload the video to another cloud service like Dropbox, OneDrive, or a file transfer tool such as WeTransfer or Smash. After uploading, copy the shareable link these services provide and paste it into your Gmail message. The idea is the same, you're sending a link rather than the file itself. Another option is to reduce the file size. You can compress the video or split it into smaller parts under 25 megabytes using file compression software. Then attach the smaller files separately in Gmail. This works best when recipients are comfortable reassembling or downloading multiple parts, and it's helpful to name the files clearly so they're easy to follow. When you're ready, compose your email in Gmail, attach any smaller files or insert the cloud link for larger videos, add your recipients and a clear subject line, and hit send. For a smoother experience, upload over a stable connection, keep file names descriptive, and let recipients know whether they should stream the video or download it. That's it, you've shared a large video from Gmail without running into the attachment limit.